Once we do have a confirmed diagnosis of a cyst, we are going to treat this cyst depending on the characteristics. It's very important to know the age of the woman, the size of the cyst, where it's located, and the type of cyst that it is. Generally, physicians will try and wait until a couple of weeks have gone by, and you can identify if the cyst has grown in size or if it has shrunk. And once you have this information, you can just leave it and let it reabsorb, or you have to intervene surgically. Nevertheless, it's important to know the woman's age, for example, to try and preserve her fertility. So if we have to surgically remove a cyst, we're going to try to take as less amount of tissue possible to leave a functioning ovary when it's possible.